Good morning, everyone. Gising pa ba ang lahat? You know, I'm really amazed with this fruit. No? Fruit ba ang tawag dito, ma'am? Kasi dahil dito, andito tayong lahat. Dahil dito, ang daming farmers na kumikita. Dahil dito, ang government agencies are here helping our farmers. At andito yung idea of the seed to sip. Seed to plate, seed to cup. So I'm talking today as an entrepreneur, and I will be talking about branding. So yun po yun, some people would see this as just cacao. Pero si Miss Donna, iba ang tingin niya dito. Me, myself, I have a different perspective with this cacao. Para sa akin, it's really a gift. Ito ay mga pinunla at pinayabong ng mga farmers. Tapos ang ating mga government agencies ay tumulong para i-box siya. Kami naman na sila Miss Donna ay nagtulong para paano pagandahin ang kahon. Kami naman ng mga producers, ang mga nagpo-process, yung mga bakers, restaurants, paano namin i-wrap ang regalong ito. And that is exactly how branding works. Pagkarating sa consumer, ano yung may evoke na feeling pagkatanggap niya sa regalong ito? So as a cafe owner, I look at Marinduque Cacao in a different perspective. I look at it differently. Some people see cacao only as an ingredient, but as an entrepreneur, I see something more valuable. I see a brand. If our menu had one line that read, "This cup or this item is made with Marinduque Cacao," what do you think our customers would feel? Di ba may ibang impact parang may ibang dating. So they would feel a connection to a place, to a community, and to a story. Because that one line on the menu is not merely a description of an ingredient. It is a brand promise. So what is branding? Branding in tourism and hospitality is a process of creating a distinct, memorable identity and emotional connections for destinations, hotels, or travel services, including food and beverage. It goes beyond logos and colors to shape a customer's or guest's entire perception and experience. Importante yan, it's something not tangible. Branding is not something that you see, but you feel. So this is why Marinduque Cacao deserves a place not only in our recipes, but also in marketing, in our packaging, and our identity as a people and as businesses. Think about the Guimaras mangoes, the coffee of Benguet, Bukidnon Moscovado, and the Pomelo of Davao. When we hear those names, we do not simply think of food. We think of where they come from, we think of the farmers, and we think of the quality and authenticity of the product. These products have become brands, and Marinduque Cacao belongs to that conversation. Actually, I remembered calling Donna years back. Sabi ko sa kanya, "Miss Donna, I'm just so interested to make a Level Up Tablea experience for 10YO Cafe. Can you make us a tablea that it's in a popsicle that you just have to dip it in hot milk and put it in your cup and then talk to your friends and then you finally realize that you have a hot chocolate on your cup na may ibang experience, di ba? It's not the usual tablea na pag sinerve na lang sa'yo just like that. So there's a branding to it already na may yung experience mo na dinidip mo siya, no? nakaka-enjoy, no? That's really part of branding. So when we launched Island Harvest and Ani Nanduque products at 10YO, we discovered that customers were not only interested in the flavor, they were also interested in the story behind it because it carries the story of farmers from Masalukot. The farmers na naghirap, no, para mag-create ng tableya na ito to put it in our cafe and to be able to enjoy ng aming mga guests sa hotel, whether local or international, they are enjoying every cup. In fact, minsan may mga dito rin no, na sarili natin na mga tao, they message me, and talagang favorite ko talaga ang Island Harvest na chocolate ng 10YO. But guess what? Hindi lang naman sa 10YO yun eh. No? When you go to other cafes, they're also serving tableyas, hot chocolate. Andun pa rin yung experience. Alright? So that is the power of branding. So that brings me to the meaning of Tatak Marinduque, Lasang Lokal. Tatak Marinduque, Lasang Lokal is not just a slogan, but it should be a market differentiator. So gusto ko i-push para sa lahat to try and put stickers and brands dun sa ating mga products this 2026. Challenge po natin, no? Let's put this, Tatak Marinduque, Lasang Lokal, and sana meron tayong isang generic brand or logo that we'll be using for everyone. Feeling ko, no, itong kakao na ito, as simple as this, bringing people closer to everyone, like today. Ang laking bagay, no, for Marinduque that we have something na parang para sa atin ay masasabi nating pang-sarili. So part siya ng culinary tourism, no, parang experience. Palaging topic po ito no, sa Department of Tourism. Tama po, Ma'am Tita Mita, no? Laging topic yung culinary tourism. So parang gusto natin tong i-share para sa lahat that we can do it together. People now are storytellers. They are curious. They want to know where their food comes from. They want to know who made it. They want to know why it matters and why it is relevant. So when a cafe proudly says that its hot chocolate, or their pastries or cakes and desserts are made with the Marinduque cacao, it's not just selling a product. It is selling the island. It is selling the farmer. It is selling a story and selling an experience, like what I said. But for bakers and food entrepreneurs, let's place made with Marinduque cacao or Tatak Marinduque, Lasang Lokal, nor packaging, becomes a conversation starter. So parang nakakadagdag yan sa ating kwento as a people of Marinduque. Most importantly, it gives our product an identity. So before I close, I would like to acknowledge who made all of this cacao fair possible. Our cacao farmers, palakpakan po natin. Our cooperatives, our entrepreneurs and exhibitors who are here today. Marami pong salamat sa Island Harvest, 10YO Cafe, Panuluyan Farmstay, Rehanos, Tita Mita sa kanyang bagong product. Kay Miss Christine sa Bake with Love, Lucky Food House, Miss Bab, Casa John, Carlo, Sarang Jean, Miss Cecil, Buhay Isla, Kuya Frank, Casa de Don Emilio Ate Rosette, Doughboys, Miss Carla Castro, T-Spot, John Ashley, and of course, Lumang Bahay sa Tres, Miss Dot. So they're having demo later with Sir Carlo also. So because of these people, every consumer who chooses local ay parang proud, no? Because we have a certain story for Marinduque cacao. Together, we represent the complete supply chain of Marinduque cacao. Tayo pong lahat yon. So bigyan po natin ng sarili natin ng palakpakan. And we deserve this. So today, I have with you a simple invitation. Let us just keep trying. Let us keep Marinduque cacao on our menu. Place it on our shelves. build it into our brand, and let our island cacao speak for us as a people. Because every product made with Marinduque cacao carries something more than flavor. Maraming pong salamat. At ika nga sa Balar, it's always possible. Maraming pong salamat.